Okay, hello, welcome to this brief weather update. I have to do one, and like I said, it's going to be lower resolution. But as of 10 o'clock, uh, August 14th, 2020, we're dealing with another tropical storm. We already set a record with Josephine, which is way out in the Caribbean, but this is Kyle, and I noticed it today when I was looking at the satellite, and I'm like, that looks like a tropical system that's formed offshore, and sure enough, it's happened again. It's very rare to see these storms form right off our coast like this, but that's because of those warm water temperatures. So this is Tropical Storm Kyle, and take a look at the satellite here. You can see here it is on the satellite. This is the 36 frame, and you can see right here. There it is, clear. We'll make this. We'll look at the 60-hour loop here, and you can see that clear circulation there. That is offshore, which is, like I said, very impressive to see this forming right offshore. So let's get the latest from the Hurricane Center. We also have Josephine, which is way out there in the Caribbean, and it's not expected to be a hazard or toward us. It's supposed to recurve. If we look at the information on Josephine, you can see here that it's just going to recurve, and it's just going to be, fortunately, a storm that isn't going to affect anyone, hopefully, except for the shipping areas. But then we have Tropical Storm Kyle, maximum sustained winds 40 miles an hour. And this is what has formed. So you can see here's the map here that it's formed, and you can see it's just going to stay pretty much away from any land. But the fact that this would form right off our shore. So Tropical Storm Kyle forms over the northwest Atlantic. It's forecast to move quickly away. So its location is 37.7 north, about 71.17 west. It's about 185 miles southeast of Atlantic City, New Jersey. Maximum sustained winds are 40 miles an hour. Its movement is east-northeast at 17 miles an hour. Minimum central pressure 29.77 inches or 1,008 millibars. And it could strengthen a little bit too. So tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 80 miles from the center. So again, this is Kyle. We can actually look at it over here too as well. This is Tropical Storm Josephine. Oh, they don't even have Kyle up here. They weren't even prepared to have to deal with that. But some of the models were indicating that something would pop up offshore. So we're going to just look at the northeast view here on the models and look at the weekend. Obviously, I have to keep this weather update brief. It was not a bad day today, by the way. The humidity was coming down later on in the day, and now it is a pleasant evening outside with 77 degrees. The Dewpoint is 62 at Farmingdale, and we did get up to the mid 80s. The humidity was lower, and that'll be the theme for tomorrow too, because we're gonna have this northeast wind, courtesy of Kyle as it moves away. So there's Kyle. See it move away. GFS has strengthened, and it could strengthen pretty rapidly over those warm waters. So it could strengthen up to maybe 50 or even 60 miles an hour, perhaps. That would be funny if it became a hurricane, but it wouldn't be funny. But anyway, the good news is we're in this wedge of dry air. You can clearly see it there, and we'll have a nice day tomorrow before the precipitation starts moving close to our area on Sunday. You can also look at the NAM 12 kilometer. We have enough of the 0Z in to look at that too as well. So this is the NAM. So you see tomorrow is dry, and then we'll have to worry about the chances for showers on Sunday as we get closer to Sunday. Let's go look back to the GFS. We'll look at our temperatures and humidity. First, we'll start off with dew point. All right, so you see that dry air coming down from the northeast, so we'll have lower dew points tomorrow. Dew points in the upper 50s and low 60s. It's going to feel a lot more comfortable. And then we can see that persistent east flow. And there's something else that forms along this front. I'm wondering if that could be another tropical system that could form along the front. Who knows? Hopefully by Sunday night I'll have my internet back and I'll be able to tell you exactly. We'll go into detail a little more. Look at the temperatures here. See, tomorrow's highs will be in the low to mid 80s, probably low 80s, low to mid 80s. That east flow, it's an onshore flow. And now we just see if we can get Sundays in here. Or are we having a problem again? Hold on. I think I know what this phone did. Yep, connected to the Wi-Fi again. What it does is it connects to the Wi-Fi automatically after a certain period of time. So I have to disengage the Wi-Fi to get it to work. Let's see if we can get the rest of this weather update up. Or not. Nice. And this is the life when you don't have internet. Thanks to they'll be here. They'll be hopefully by Sunday night. They're coming Sunday morning. I was able to get it Sunday morning. That was the soonest they had available. So here you go. Cooler day on Sunday with all the clouds around. So that'll be the next thing we'll look at is clouds. And again, we're looking at the 18Z GFS, by the way. So it looks like hopefully we can get some sunshine tomorrow. I don't know if we're going to have a clear sky. GFS seems to think there'll be some clouds around because it'll still got this. It's like a backdoor front, so it's kind of stuck over us. We'll have to see how far that gets, and then obviously the clouds and the showers for Sunday. Let's look at the NAM 3 kilometer on the clouds here. Of course, I only have 13 hours. I have 22 hours of that, so that should be enough. NAM's a little more optimistic that we should have mostly sunny skies, at least for a window, maybe in the afternoon before the clouds come back in. So hopefully we'll get some mostly sunny skies. It would be nice to get some nice skies. You can look at the RGEM as well. And it's very slow trying to get, you know, when you're tethering, basically what I'm doing here is I'm tethering. Yeah. Nothing. Alright, I don't know. I think that's going to bring this weather update to an end because now it's not working again. Unless it tried to reconnect to the Wi-Fi again. Let's see. Yep. Unbelievable. Keeps reconnecting to the Wi-Fi. And I keep disabling the Wi-Fi on this. But it keeps let's do this. Alright, so the RGEM, yeah, not as probably won't be a clear day tomorrow. I was hoping it would, but it doesn't look too optimistic. It's frustrating because if you go to the current satellite, you'll see there's plenty of clear air to the north, but we're probably going to have trouble getting into it. But only time will tell. Usually you do see the subsidence around these tropical systems, so hopefully it could bring us a nice sky tomorrow. That would be nice because Sunday is going to be on the gloomy side. But hopefully I'll be able to get my internet back by then. So you have a great night, everybody. Thanks for watching.